You don't just look at this machine. You feel it. The Nissan R35 GT-R doesn't arrive quietly. It dominates every glance, every heartbeat. That front end? Aggressive, sharp, sculpted like it was cut from speed itself. The headlights pierce forward with intent, while the lines flow across the body like liquid steel. Every curve engineered for purpose, every angle whispering one thing: performance. The stance is wide, unapologetic. Those iconic wheels hugging the pavement with a grip that promises chaos under control. And then, the rear. Quad exhausts roaring, taillights glowing like fire circles, reminding the world exactly who owns the night. Step inside, and it's not just a cabin, it's a cockpit. The seats grip you, leather and stitching wrapping around with that perfect balance of comfort and race-ready tightness. The dashboard stares back like a command center, sleek, modern, alive with tech. That infotainment screen? A performance brain at your fingertips. From track telemetry to seamless navigation, every control is placed with precision, every switch begging to be flicked, every dial ready for command. And yet, even with the heart of a beast, there's refinement here. Soft-touch surfaces, a cabin that cocoons you in luxury, while still reminding you this is no ordinary drive. Press start, and it awakens with a growl that rattles your chest. A sound that turns heads before you even move. Its power you can feel in your bones, but elegance you can admire in silence. The R35 GT-R isn't just a car, it's an event, a statement, a legend redefined for the street. Because when you see it, when you sit in it, when you unleash it, you don't just drive a GT-R, you become part of it.